Hey guys, RadRadon here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Steam. Let's get right into it. Although this process is simple, I'll be making this for the people who aren't familiar with technology or just having issues with the installation process. First, we're going to head over to Google. You can use any browser you want. I'm going to be using Chrome. Then we want to head over to the Steam website. You can either search Steam in the search bar, or use the link on screen or in the video description. If searching for the website like I am, it should be on the first page in the search results. Once you've got it, let's just click the link and get onto the website. We then want to navigate to the top right and click the green Install Steam button. This will direct us to the About page, where we can click the blue Install Steam button. This will start the download of the setup launcher. Let's click it down below. This bar disappears on you, like this. You can also go to the top right and Downloads in Chrome, and you can find it here. So you can either click it on the bottom, or click it here. It will then pop up with the, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just hit yes. We then want to select Next. Select the language you wish Steam to use. I'll be using English. Then choose the folder in which to install Steam in. The default folder should not be an issue. Then just click Install. Once it's done, make sure this checkbox is marked. If not, you can find it on your desktop, as there should be a shortcut also, but this is just simpler. And then hit Finish. This will start the necessary updates to run Steam. Once all the updates are done, it will open up this window, and it will ask you to log in with a Steam account. Let's set up one right now. Go down here and hit Create a New Account. It should open up a window for account creation. Fill out the email address you'll be using. If you don't have one, make sure to make one at Gmail, Yahoo, or some other email provider. If you're unsure how to do this, there are many other tutorials on this. Next, choose your country. I'm in the US, so I'll keep the same. Once you've got your country selected, solve this puzzle. Don't worry, it's supposed to look like a Picasso painting. If you have troubles reading it, like this, whatever this is right here, you can hit refresh and it'll give you a new one. And then just fill it out. Once you've hopefully solved this, as it might take a few tries if you're dumb like me, you can scroll through the agreement that no one reads, and then you can agree to the agreement and that you're 13 years of age, which hopefully you are, but who cares anyways. And then hit continue. Once you hit continue, it will want you to verify your email address. To do this, leave the window open and then go log into your email. Once you're signed in, you'll have an email from Steam to confirm your account. Let's open it. Once it's open, hit the green Create My Account button. This will verify your email, and we can return back to the Steam window that we were in earlier. It will then ask us for an account name to use. This can be anything, but make sure you remember it so that you can log in with it. I'll obviously make a great username. Then use the password that you also want to log in with. This can be anything, just make sure you'll remember it. Although you don't need these are suggestions for stronger passwords. Once you've got your username and password, you can complete the sign up. It will then successfully create your account. It will bring you back to the login screen, where you can log in with that account information you just made. If it doesn't open up automatically, you can search in the search bar, or if I didn't already have it on the other screen, there should be a desktop application that you can double click, and this will open it up automatically for you. Once you're in Steam, you can go to the store and download any games you want, of course, after you buy them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below. I'll try responding. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See ya.